Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sunil Chauhan and you are watching episode 5 of Engineering 1500 square feet 4-BHK floor plan in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, you are going to learn how to add windows to the technical drawing of your floor plan. According to the technical drawing specification guide, a glass window is represented by two thin lines between the two border lines which joins the exterior and interior of the walls. So, I have already created such a glass window using the rectangle tool and thin stroke lines. As you can see, I have already added 3 of such windows, 2 to the bedroom and 1 to the dining hall. I will now demonstrate how to add the window to one of the room, and then you can apply this knowledge to add windows to other rooms as well. To create a window opening, I would use the Add Anchor Point tool and create one anchor point here, and another one here just close by the first one. Now leave as much space as the width of the window you want for this room. Then create another 2 anchor points. Now I would use the Direct Selection tool to select just the internal anchor points and then press the Delete key on the keyboard. This will essentially break the wall for the window opening. Now using the Selection tool, I would press and hold the Alt key and then drag a copy of this window down here. Now, let's press the Shift key and hover on one end of this window. This will change the cursor icon as seen on the screen, and now I can just rotate it by 90 degrees. Now again with the Selection tool, place it right where it needs to go. Now as you can see that we cut out a bigger space for the window than what was actually required, but that's okay as well, we'll fix it in a moment. Grab the Direct Selection tool and select the anchor point of the wall and then just simply press down the arrow key and let it meet the end of the window. There you go. So in a similar way, you can add windows to all the remaining rooms. Now that I have already explained the process, I would just fast forward the addition of windows to the other rooms. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will add a staircase that will take you from the ground floor to the first floor. Until then, have fun and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified about my new video when it is released.